Hey, welcome to Learn English with Luna, your path to learn English fast. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Luna, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Luna.
And hello, everyone. I am Adam. It is so good to be back here with you, Luna. I am very happy to see you today.
I am happy to see you too, Adam. You look very relaxed today. Did you sleep well?
Actually, I'm relaxed because I was looking at old photos. I was thinking about my last holiday. I love traveling.
Oh, me too. Traveling is the best. That is perfect, Adam, because today we are talking about travel. We are going to talk about where we went and what we did.
That sounds exciting. So we're talking about the past.
Exactly. We will use the past simple tense. It sounds like a grammar lesson, but it is actually very easy. We just use the past form of the verb, like I went or I ate.
Ah, I see. So I don't say I go to the beach. I say I went to the beach.
Yes, go becomes went, see becomes saw. So, Adam, tell me, where did you go on your last vacation?
Let me think. Last summer, I went to Italy.
Italy! Wow, that sounds amazing. Who did you go with?
I went with my brother. We visited Rome and Venice.
Rome is beautiful. Did you see the Colosseum?
Yes, we did. We saw the Colosseum and we took many photos. It was very big and very old.
I went to Rome 2 years ago. I loved the food. Did you eat pizza?
Of course. I ate pizza every single day. I ate pizza, I ate pasta, and I drank a lot of coffee.
That sounds delicious. I ate a lot of gelato when I was there. Did you visit any museums?
No, we didn't. We didn't visit any museums because the weather was so nice. We walked around the city all day. We walked for hours.
Walking is the best way to see a city. So you visited Rome. Did you go to the beach?
No, we didn't go to the beach. We didn't have time. But we went to Venice. It was magical. We rode on a boat.
A gondola! That is so romantic. Wait, you went with your brother? That is not romantic.
No, it wasn't romantic, but it was fun. What about you, Luna? Where did you go on your last holiday?
Well, I didn't go to another country. I stayed here. I went to the mountains with my family.
The mountains. That sounds nice and quiet. Did you go camping?
Yes, we did. We slept in a tent. It was very cold at night, but we made a fire.
Did you cook on the fire?
Yes, we cooked hot dogs and marshmallows. It was delicious. And we told scary stories.
I love camping, but I hate the bugs. Did you see any bears?
No, we didn't see any bears, thankfully, but we saw a lot of birds and squirrels. We hiked up the mountain every morning. I was so tired.
Hiking is hard work, but the view is always beautiful.
Yes, it was. So, Adam, let's look at our conversation. We used the past simple a lot.
Yes, we did. We said, I went, I saw, I ate, I walked. These are irregular and regular verbs.
Exactly. Walked and visited are regular. We just add ed. But went, saw, and ate are irregular. They change completely.
And for the negative, we just used didn't, like I didn't go, I didn't see.
Perfect. You are a great student, Adam.
Thank you, Teacher Luna.
Well, friends, we've reached the end of our episode. We hope you enjoyed our stories about Italy and the mountains.
Yes, thank you for listening. Now we have a question for you.
Tell us, in the comments, where did you go on your last vacation?
Yes, did you go to the beach? Did you visit a new city? Did you eat something delicious?
Please write your answers in English below. We love reading your comments.
And if you liked this video, please click the like button and share it with your friends.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you soon.